I am Coach Key, certified women's and menopause health coaching specialist. I teach and train women how to take charge of their midlife experience through health, wellness, and lifestyle coaching. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 101s of menopause. Stay to the end for a free downloadable checklist of a list of surprising symptoms that you may not ever have linked to menopause. Let's get into it. Menopause is a natural transition that every woman will experience that marks the end of our reproductive life. There are 3 stages to this transition. The beginning stage is called perimenopause. In perimenopause, estrogen and progesterone, as well as ovulation, start to fluctuate significantly. And these fluctuations can drive symptoms like irregular periods, worsening PMS, mood changes, weight changes, sleep disturbances, and more. This typically happens in a woman's life in her late 30s to 40s. If you're someone like me who's had a hysterectomy, you could actually start your menopausal journey up to 4 years earlier, according to Dr. Mary in her new book, The New Menopause. The perimenopause stage can last between 4 to 10 years up to your actual menopause day. Menopause is clinically defined as 12 consecutive months with no menstrual cycle. So menopause is technically 1 day, and at this point, your estrogen and progesterone have reached a consistent low because your ovaries are no longer producing the same amount of hormone, and ovulation has come to a stop. At this point, women can experience hot flashes, mood changes, joint pain, vaginal dryness, and changes in sexual dysfunction, and more. Menopause begins the day after your last period and lasts throughout the rest of your life. Now, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone remain low in compared to the fluctuations during the perimenopause transition. Our bodies adjust to these low levels, yet emerging health concerns can arise, such as osteoporosis, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic health changes. Let's talk about how these changes can impact your life. Due to the low levels of hormones, we can experience physical changes. Hot flashes and night sweats, weight gain and metabolic changes, bone density loss, vascular health, skin and hair changes can arise. Hormonal shifts and decline can have an impact on our emotional and mental health, causing us mood swings, anxiety, and irritability. Sexual health and intimacy can take a hit during menopause transition. Symptoms such as decreased libido, changes in sexual function, vaginal dryness, discomfort during sex, overall intimacy with our partners can become a challenge. So these changes can have a real impact on our self-confidence and our body image. Insomnia and disrupted sleep due to low energy during the day can have an impact on our quality of sleep. Some women may find changes in their social and relationship dynamics. Emotional changes can put a strain on family dynamics, partnerships, and friendships. Many women in midlife navigate many roles, which can cause stress on our bodies. So this can all sound kind of daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are ways that we can manage our symptoms to help us have the most optimal experience during our menopause transition. Some holistic tools to manage our symptoms with a healthy lifestyle are whole foods, stress management, exercise and movement, community, health coaching, and possibly adding some supplements to your regimen. The menopause transition can be a very trying time in a woman's life, and it can affect nearly every area of her life. Midlife is an amazing time for every woman to take her health, wellness, and fitness very seriously, using some of the tools listed here to help you have a better experience through menopause. I am Coach Key. I hope that you now have a better understanding of the basics of menopause, the symptoms of menopause, how it can affect your life, and feel confident in taking some tools to better your experience. If you are a woman experiencing some of these symptoms of perimenopause, menopause, or postmenopause, I invite you to click the link here to schedule a discovery call with me. I am happy to help you find the right routine that fits your unique lifestyle. If this video was helpful to you, click the subscribe button for more midlife and menopause content to come.